Hi guys, my name is Pilile. All things are Did I just say Pilile? Girl. CIMA. Ha 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 ha. Hi guys, my name is Pilile, All Things Accounting, and here we speak accounting, God, and resilience. Please make sure that you share, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So, what are we talking about today? Today we are talking about my most favorite thing in the world. I call it purpose, I call it calling. Anything great and beyond great is what this topic is about. Today we are talking about management accountants slash CIMA slash this is my part one of my CIMA journey slash CIMA information provider. What is a management accountant? Mangatiwa explain to a 5-year-old what is a management accountant. I would say, by the way, that a management accountant is an individual that ensures that the decision making or the internal decision making within a company is done. So I make sure that that happens. I make sure that the internal decisions are made within a company. And that is my job as a management accountant. Yes, I said it, as a management accountant. That is my job. Okay. Now, how do I do this? How do I ensure that the internal decision making is made within a company? Do management accountants use IFRS? Well, for us, yes, we do use IFRS, but IFRS is not as compulsory, But like every business, every company needs to abide by the IFRS standards, right? But for us as management accountants, it's not as mandatory. Yes, we do use it because we do prepare the statement of profit or loss. For now, according to the information that I have obtained, according to what I have done in the past, I only use IFRS standards when it comes to preparing the statement of financial loss. And because I'm a management accountant, I deal a lot with inventory, so I do make reference to IS2, right, which is inventory. So yes, we do make reference to, or we do utilize IFRS standards rather. So what I focus on, right, as a management accountant, like I said in the beginning, I make sure that the internal decision making of a company does take place. So now linking it back to inventory, I'm the one who's responsible for costing our inventory. So if we are a manufacturing company, then that's where you'll most probably find me. You'll find me in the of the company, right? Because remember, inventory is so that's where you would find me as a management accountant. I'm the one that's going to analyze production of our product. I'm the one that's going to analyze the costing of our product. I'm the one that's most likely going to understand which selling price should I place on this item in order for me to make a profit. Why? Because I am forward looking as well. I want to make sure that we make a profit, because again, as a management accountant, we always want to make sure, or as management accountants rather, we always want to make sure that our shareholders make a profit no matter what, right? So I'm the one that's going to be responsible for the selling price, understanding which selling price should I place on this specific item in order to make sure that it makes a profit, not only for the shareholders, but for the company as well, right? Right. So now, how do management accountants as well as financial accountants make link, rather, how do they link together? So again, I'm gonna repeat this. as a management accountant, I focus more on the inventory of the company, right? And if I focus more on the inventory of the company, that means that I am the one who most understands. I'm the one who mostly understands how we get to the cost of sales figure, which is now in financial accounting as well, which is a very, very important amount for a financial accountant to utilize as well when preparing the statement of profit or loss, right? So I am the one who gets into detail with regards to the cost of sales, or rather in our terms, the cost of goods sold figure, right? So in what way do I do this, guys? There are many ways there are many ways of costing an item. And of course, this could be through absorption costing, variable costing, activity-based costing, standard costing. Those are the costs that I know for now. Yes, those are the costing methods that I know for now. I've been speaking, but like those are the costing methods that I utilize in order to reach a cost of goods sold amount, and that cost of goods sold will be transferred, or that amount will then be utilized by the financial accountant. Because even when you do FinEc, you might notice that you've only done AS2/inventory once as a topic, because I know that I've only done it once. I did it in second year, and then after that it was over. But after that, they've always provided the cost of sales amount, whereas I was the one who got into detail into the calculation of the cost of sales amount. So you'll find that like this, what is this thing called? The way of identifying, it's markup on sales and markup on cost of sales. Like that thing, that formula, guys, I don't like using the term thing. That formula will most likely be used by me as a management accountant, as opposed to be used by a financial accountant. And that is the end of what is a management accountant and what does a management accountant do. So in a nutshell, a management accountant is basically responsible for the internal transactions of a company, right? And who do I report to? I'll most likely report to the financial accountant, or I'll report to my senior. And my senior, is it an and or situation? I am not too sure, guys. I am an undergrad, okay? I am in undergrad. Please bear in mind that everything that I have said so far is based on what I know, what I have done, and what I have experienced so far. There's still more to be shared. Of course, like I said, this is still part one. There's still more to be shared. There's still more to be learned. There's still more to be understood. There's just so much more that it doesn't end here. I know for sure that it doesn't end here. And now the second segment of this video is all things CIMA. Guys, I need to stop looking at myself and look at the camera. Cameras flash. CIMA hierarchy is as follows, but I'm only gonna focus on operational level because that is what I know. I need to stop singing. That is what I know so far, right? I'm not gonna get into management level and strategic level. I'm only gonna stick to operational level for now. So there are a number of ways of getting into CIMA, right? You can get into CIMA through after high school. You can study CIMA, or you can do it the way that I am doing it, the way that I am exposed to, which is the varsity route, right? So according to the research that I have done, I've noticed that CIMA can be a qualification and CIMA can be an institution as well. Well, it is a qualification and it is an institution as well. And I am only going to speak on the route that I know because that's what I know, guys. I don't want to spam you guys with fake information. No information that I'm not even sure about. So you complete your undergrad degree, right? It could be BCom accounting, it could be financial, BCom finance. I'm not too sure about BEc. But I also think it is CIMA accredited. But I know for sure that BCom accounting as well as BCom finance, both these degrees are accredited by CIMA. So once you hold this degree / NQF level 7, then you are exempted from the operational case study of the CIMA program, right? So you won't write those exams again because you've gained the necessary knowledge, you've gained the necessary experience in your undergrad degree. So there's no need for you to do the operational level as well as the certificate level. So after you have completed your NQF level 7, then you will be eligible to move on to the management level. And there you're going to study, you're going to study your P2, your E2, and your F2. And that is what I'm not going to get into because I do not know much about that. And then you write your case study and then you move on to your strategic level, which is your F3, P3, as well as E3. You write the case study and then of course you will obtain your designation as a ACMA CGMA. From me, I'm definitely going to provide you guys with more information when I am exposed to more information. And from me to you guys,